Hello and welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to be cleaning all the gutters and the UPVC of this building here. It's quite a confined little space, so I'm going to be using the Panther from GVS, and I'm also going to be using the Kranzle, which will be the first time I've used it on a UPVC clean. So we'll get cracking and see how we get on. So we've got that little gutter there, across here, and then we've got one there, one there. I don't think I'll get to one's either side of that, but I'll be able to clean all the UPVC around it, clean all the gutters here, add all this UPVC here and across here. So for washing down this job, I'm going to be using Synergy Pro, which is a cleaner from Pure Seal. I haven't used it before. I've mixed it up at about 10 to 1 in the constant flow. And it's, like I say, this is the first time I've used the Synergy Pro, but it smells really nice and citrusy actually. It's a really nice smelling cleaner. I've heard fantastic things about it, so I'm going to try that and I'll let you know how it goes on. So as I said, that's with the constant flow. I'm going to apply that. I'm then going to wash it down with the Kranzle. So it's the first time I've used the Kranzle. I have also got a new pole. I've got an over 8. It's a 35-foot over 8, and it's got a turbo nozzle on it as well. So I bought this, paid for it and bought it all with my own money from Q Services. They're up north, I think Yorkshire way, I think. I'm not 100% sure of that, but Q Services put this together for me. So I'm going to give it a go and let you know how I get on with this. So first proper job I've had with the Kranzle, first proper job with the Synergy Pro, and the first proper job with the new turbo nozzle on the over 8. So a lot of new things to go wrong here that I haven't tried before, so we'll give it a go and hopefully it'll come up really well. One little tip when you've got a job that's as tight a space as this is only have out the tools that you need. So I put the gutter vac away, I put the pressure washer away, extension leads, hose, everything. All I've got out now is my water fed pole and the hose that I'm going to be using to clean it down with. So that way you're not tripping over all your equipment. Put it back straight in the van. You've got to do it at some stage, might as well do it as soon as you finish with it. So that will just make it easier to work. So there we are, all done. 3 stories, little conservatory roof there. It's all come up really nice. So what do I think of the new equipment? The Synergy Pro. Absolutely fantastic cleaner, that. Not too soapy, so rinses down really easy and really shifts the dirt nicely. And another thing is it smells really nice. The next new bit of equipment I used was the Kranzle. I've got the 10 litre a minute Kranzle, and it is really powerful. I think if you want thinking about buying one for just doing this, probably go for the 7. I think in some ways that's almost too powerful. I'm gonna have to, next job I do, I think I'm gonna turn the pressure down on that a bit, and yeah, I think that's more than enough. The new over 8 pole, pressure lance pole, again, fantastic piece of equipment, put together really well. Really makes the job easier, much lighter than aluminium ones. But yeah, absolutely fantastic pole. The turbo on it worked really well. It's a good quality turbo nozzle, so not a cheap one off Amazon. You can get cheapos, but they don't work very well. I had one before, I think I paid 12 quid for the last one, and it was a load of rubbish, but this one worked really, really well. So all in all, a really nice little job. It's come up really well. The customers have gone out and left me with the keys to lock up, so hopefully they'll be pleased with it when they get home tonight. I think they will, because it does all come up looking really nice. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, make sure you hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.